Hello guys. Today I'm gonna be doing Robo Kitty, and yeah, this is my first ever animation on the screen recorder. So yeah, this is one of my cats that I already made. As you can see, that I have a bunch of animations with her in it. See, this is her. Wonderland Wing. This is also her. I made a lot of animations when I didn't have screen recorder. So let's just get on to the video. It's called Robo Kitty. I was watching this. I thought it was recording, but it actually wasn't. Let's go. Alright. Wrong one. It's not gonna let me zoom out. So that was the animation. And wait, what's this X button? Alright. So yeah. What do I do to stop
Not again! Come on!
Wait, am I recording right now, Mikey?
You're recording.
Alright, so how do I end?
How do you end? Alright. Let me pause this. Let me pause this recording.
You can also pause.
Yeah, you can also pause. Okay. Alright. Now, you.